heard these results today, he would say, Yahoo! It would be such a thrill for him, I think, to see that his original prediction that such a weird stuff might exist in the universe turned out to actually be true.
But what is this weird stuff? Scientists have different names for it: vacuum energy, dark energy, quintessence. But they have little idea of what it consists of or where it comes from. One highly speculative theory is that the force comes, quite literally, from nothing.
Now, this is pretty mysterious. It's an energy that's present everywhere in space. We're normally not aware of it. There's no way of tapping into it, we can imagine. You know, empty space is not so empty. In empty space, there's a continuous creation of matter and antimatter, continually being created in pairs and destroyed. It's a seething stew of particles and radiation whose effects we can sometimes observe.
The idea is that in empty space, tiny subatomic particles pop in and out of existence. On the cosmic scale of the universe, all these popping particles add up to produce a peculiar form of energy, which actually stretches space, pushing it outward.
The cosmological constant that we have in mind that may be explaining why the universe is speeding up is just the tiniest little bit of energy. And so you might wonder, how can it, cause the universe to speed up and get bigger? But this energy is everywhere. So unlike the matter that we're made of, which is concentrated into galaxies, the cosmological constant is everywhere.
The basic idea is it's this sort of energy that permeates all of space, and it has very different properties to what you and I are made of. It's not atoms. It's actually something that you can't even get a hold of. But it does have a fairly profound effect on the universe as a whole, which is it causes space to accelerate from itself.
Strange as it sounds, this is not the first time that scientists have found evidence that behind the visible features of the universe lurk unseen and profoundly mysterious forces. Since the days of Hubble and Einstein, astronomers have explored the contours of the universe, mapping landscapes shaped by the force of gravity. Gravity binds our sun to 100 billion other stars, interspersed with pockets of dust and gas, in a vast, rotating spiral we call the Milky Way galaxy. But things are not always what they seem. The galaxy is spinning so fast that centrifugal force should have flung the stars into space. All the matter we can see does not exert enough gravitational pull to hold the galaxy together. There has to be something else there, but it's completely invisible. Beyond our galaxy, the mystery only deepens. Gravity ties our galaxy to a group of 30 others within a distance of 3 million light years, our cosmic neighborhood. This local group is bound to a still larger region. It is 50 million light years away, the 10,000 galaxies that make up the Virgo supercluster. These galaxies move so fast that some unseen presence must be holding them in. Scientists call it dark matter, a strange form of matter that exerts gravity. but does not emit or reflect light. Little else is known about dark matter, except there's a lot of it. In the regions of space we can see, there seems to be 10 times more dark matter than ordinary matter. And now, there's another mysterious ingredient in the universe: dark energy.
Now we're being confronted with the possibility that not only is there matter that we know nothing about, but there's another kind of energy that we know absolutely nothing about. The best theories don't predict that it should be there.